Hello everyone, you are watching Digital Glide, where we talk about content writing, SEO, how to use ChatGPT, and other digital marketing related training stuff. I am Amar, founder at Digital Glide, and in this video, let us understand how to write service page content, or you can say a website content or website copy for a company website. Before that, if you are new if you are watching this video for first time, subscribe to our channel and uh, watch our this past videos on content writing, like how you can write content for a, service-based company or an e-commerce brand using ChatGPT. So let us start. So uh, I want to write content for Digital Glide website. Uh, so I want to introduce a new service page called Performance Marketing Services. So how you can do that? So let us start step by step. Firstly, you will analyze the website. Like here, you can see that how homepage is written. Then, like initially, you will understand before using ChatGPT. You should also understand that how content flow is followed. Then you will go through service pages. Like for example, here I am going through a service page called digital marketing. Then you will go through it. For example, here you can see our heading is mentioned properly. Then you have some content. Then you have CTA. Then you have other headings and relevant content according to that. So in similar way, I need to introduce new service page. For that, what I will do is I will create a prompt uh, where I will ask ChatGPT that hi ChatGPT, I want to write a service page content for a digital marketing agency named Digital Glad. So I have mentioned a brand name here. Then I will tell him that the page name will be performance marketing. Means I am informing him that I want to target this service page. Like I want to write content for this new service page with this keyword. Then I will share this on ChatGPT in a new chat. Before that, let me tell you one thing. In previous videos, I have used free version of ChatGPT. Now I am using premium version, so the output will be better. I have written this first prompt. Now uh, let us train the ChatGPT here. Okay. In the second prompt, what we will do is uh, I have mentioned project name. Then I will also mention the website URL so that it will understand project in better way. So I will ask ChatGPT to analyze the website, services, tone, brand guidelines, and overall website positioning with uh, complete guidelines so that it will help us write better content. And lastly, I will ask ChatGPT not to write anything because we will be sharing more inputs with it. So let us see what it does. So he has given us some summary like agency positions, then services, then business listings and all, like what kind of services we offer and all. Then tone brand positioning is also mentioned in the summary. Then the tool has given some guidelines, or maybe you can say uh, what it will consider while writing the content. Okay. In the next prompt, what we will do, we will provide a reference page uh, of the existing services so that it will get idea of outline before writing the content. Like I want it to analyze structure, tone, understand how we have written the content like that. So I am copying this prompt and sharing this with ChatGPT. So it has understood the structure and given some outline references, tone, and layout, visual elements, and all. You can read it. Then let us go to next prompt where we will provide some competitor references because I don't want you to write generic content, but you should also do some manual research before using ChatGPT, where you will go to Google search, uh, find some competitors as you do while writing the content manually, compile some good references and feed them to ChatGPT so that it will understand competitors, market trends, and also get some inspiration. So I'm copying this. Now I will share this to ChatGPT and we'll ask him to analyze the references and don't write anything. Just take inputs. So he's analyzing the content of competitors. It is done. Now let us go to next prompt where we will ask ChatGPT to act as SEO content writer and strategist with expertise in Google SEO algorithms, B2B content writing, considering our target audience, then website copywriting, because we are writing service page content, then landing page copywriting as well, because service page and landing page are somewhat similar, so intent will be same. So it will help ChatGPT to write content in a way that it will give us lead generation or conversion based content flow. So I will copy this and paste it to ChatGPT to help him write better content. Now let us go to next prompt where I will provide more inputs like we'll ask him to consider that our website will serve as lead generation machine like our website page, what we will be writing now. It will act as a lead generation machine. Then the content flow should be professional, catchy, and conversion focused. Then we'll ask create detailed outline for a page performance marketing services with with relevant commercial keywords like performance marketing services, performance marketing company, performance marketing agency. Or we can also ask him to target location based keywords or like subcategory of services like SEO, then lead generation, then branding, then we can say advertising, all kind of keywords we can ask them to add. Then we'll also ask to use heading structure properly and include 4 to 5 user generated frequently asked questions. It will improve the user experience. Then we'll give inputs for target audience, like where they are located, then what is their business what is their profile like we can say we can give it a buyer persona where let us target business owners, founders, and marketing decision makers like marketing vice president, marketing directors, and all. Then who know like who need digital marketing services for their business. Then the tone should be informative, confident, and promotional and professional as well. So let us copy this prompt. Before that, yeah, one thing is pending. Like, I will give more inputs. Like, we'll share suggested page sections where, like, hero section will be there. What is performance marketing? Like, overview of performance marketing will be there in the page. Then, our approach. why choose us, our services, results and benefits, call to action, and frequent cash question. This kind of flow we will give and ask to create a detailed outline. So let us give this outline and prompt to go ahead. So in this prompt, ChatGPT will give us outline. So let us find how it goes. Yeah, so it has given some outline like hero section in H1, then what is performance marketing, the second H2, then our approach, then why choose us, then our services, like as mentioned, it has mentioned PPC, social media marketing, display campaigns, conversion rate optimization, and performance analytics. Then results, then CTA and FAQs. So I think the outline is good, but if you want to make any changes, you can do. Like for example, uh, if I want that I want to change one FAQ. For example, first FAQ I don't find it relevant, or maybe I don't find it that catchy. I will ask like, what does performance marketing agency do? Instead of that, I will ask, do you have any previous results, or like based on like, have you worked in particular industry before? Like that, we can mention like, what industries do you serve? This kind of questions we can add. So I am not making any changes here. So I will be copying this outline and pasting it in our document. So I think the outline is good. There is no need to make any change. So let us go to next prompt uh, and understand what. Yeah, so outline is perfect. Now write the final service page content. Here I am asking ChatGPT to write 800 to 1000 words content, but if you want, you can ask for more content. And I have also given some guidelines and some keywords. And also mentioned that avoid mentioning competitor brand name in the content and include proper CTA with brand name. So I'm copying this prompt and we'll share that to ChatGPT. Okay, let us do one thing. Uh, Content structure prompt we will also combine in the same prompt, where we will mention that follow the proper user interface and layout of existing service pages and don't make any more major changes. Yeah. So let us ask it to do other content, like the main content. It has messed up in one section, like in service page content, we don't write conclusion. So we will skip this part. But before that, let us finalize this content. Yeah. So this is the final content. I'm copying this in the content file. So this is the final content we have. It has given proper H1, then some uh, hero section content, then proper CTA, then it has mentioned everything properly. So yeah, if you want any changes, you can ask him to do, or you can make some changes manually, like some keyword placement, or maybe some other changes, some changes in the words and all. So this is the flow, and this is the sample way to write ChatGPT, sample way to use ChatGPT while writing the content. But if you have any other inputs while writing service page, you can add that in this prompting technique and make it better. So that's it. Uh, Now, there is a small announcement. Like we are launching a digital marketing course. For that, you can visit our digital marketing course page and enroll yourself if you are looking for a practical training in SEO for 3 months. So you can go through this and apply. We will get back to you very soon. The first batch will start on 10th of November. So uh, hurry up and enroll as soon as possible. After that, if you are not following me on LinkedIn, this is my profile. So go to this and follow me to get regular updates and tips and tricks of SEO, content writing, and lead generation. Thank you.